Hey YouTube, what's going on? So I'm hoping the audio has improved a bit with this video. I am shooting with a, some Amazon mic that I found for like 30 bucks, if I could give it a try. So in this video, we're going to be upgrading the headlights, well not the housings, but the bulbs themselves. These fine folks here were kind enough to send out a set of headlight bulbs of my choosing for whatever vehicle I wanted, so I figured, oh, I'm going to put them on my truck. All their information for these guys will be in the description below. You'll find a referral link as well as a 15% discount code for those of you that want to go ahead and order a set or do this yourself as well. Okay, so at least on my truck it's particularly easy. I just need a flathead and some needle nose to help pull the pins, because I don't actually have the proper body pin removal tool, so I just flathead and needle nose works awesome. And then for the driver's side, I just need a 10 mil to take one bolt out, and because my washer reservoir is cracked right near the top, I'm just going to bend it out of the way just enough to get that bulb out. This is how I got these in there. You're technically supposed to pull the whole housing, but that's stupid. Like, why jam? Why? I know Dodge, or I think Ford just... Okay, so I'm going to show you real quick how to get these out without breaking them. I just rock it back and forth real gently. And oftentimes these will pop out. Try and put these somewhere where you're not going to lose them, because you do need these, and these are not cheap if you have to go and purchase a kit of them. Okay, so the easiest way to do your passenger side headlight, no, I'm not pulling them out. It's stupid to pull the grill, inner fender liner, all that, just to change a headlight bulb. There's an easier way. So disconnect your mass airflow sensor. Set that clip off to the side. Disconnect the electrical connection. And I will just flop that over there. If I'm not mistaken. Not that size anyways. I believe it's an 8. Like everything else. I'm going to loosen this off. That out of the way. And the air filter box pops out. Set that off to the side. Okay. So I'll pull out the old bulbs. I'll set them off to the side. Now I'm going to go ahead I'm not sure what the Allen key's for. we'll just take a quick look-see-boo and see what this Allen key is for. Oh, nothing that pertains to us. It's different bulb numbers. Huh. So... much better fit. So in theory, that's plugged in. So let's see. That is much brighter than your stock halogen. Definitely a lot nicer. Now let's compare that side by side with a cheaper LED bulb. And this is quality versus cheap. You have these cheap ones on that side. And then you got quality right here. Just because they're cheap and they're LEDs does not mean they're better. You get what you pay for. You want quality, you can get quality. You want cheap, well, that's what you're going to get. Okay, so these are the actual bulbs themselves. So that's your bulb with your LED panels on it, your seal. This one does have a small cooling fan on the back here. Sorry for the camera. And this, if I'm not mistaken, I believe is like a out bulb indicator, canceller, air canceller, flicker, canceller, something along those lines. And then you just have your typical plug connection, and that's going to vary depending on the vehicle that you order these for. These were ordered for my truck, so they're going to... Okay, so this bulb slips down in right in behind here. If this is removable, remove it and let you kind of see what's going on, but as you can see, I just push that down. And this is the fucking pain in the ass side. There we go. We are connected, and yellow is positive. And then I take my ratchet, I swap my socket to a 10 mil, and I put this 10 mil screw back in. So there, that side is all buttoned up. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this intake air box reinstalled into the truck real quick. So you know what? We're going to do this the slightly smarter way. We're going to take these Okay, let's go ahead and turn the lights on. There you go. Lows and fogs. Let's go ahead and hit the highs. Looking pretty good to me. And the fans are absolutely silent on these things. So this is what driving at night with these lights on is like. They are nice and bright. I don't get flashed by other drivers. And they actually fit the housing properly, so the light can actually reflect out properly. And that is an issue I've had in the past with some cheaper LEDs that I've got from other sources. So just don't get the cheapest of what you can get. Spend a little bit of money, buy quality. So there I've just clicked on my high beams, and honestly there's not much of a difference. They really do reflect out. Now keep in mind, the LED bulbs that I have in for my high beams, again, are those eBay, Amazon special type deals. They were dirt cheap. What do you expect?